Hi, I'm Deidre Hughes with Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group, and this is Brooke Peterman, and we're missing Sarah Maxwell, but we make up the Deidre Hughes team. We're at 64 Mill Pond in Lakeland, Georgia. Low maintenance vinyl siding, very close to Moody Air Force Base, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, open floor plan. But I want Brooke to tell you about the biggest surprise on this property.
Yes, y'all, the backyard is amazing. It's got a privacy fence, a built-in fire pit, but the coolest thing about this yard is that it overlooks Mill Pond. In fact, the owner has his fishing pole back there ready to go. So bring yours and let's go inside.